Hello? Can you see me? Hey, it's me, Piksu. But I'm very hungry. Would you please give me a glass of milk? What? What? Wow! 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 Milk! Wow! I love it! Eh? Eh? Wow! Power! Energy! Do you know how we get dairy milk? Dairy milk is extracted from farm animals like cow, buffaloes, goat, sheep, and camels. Let's visit a cow farm. There are almost 800 different breeds of cow worldwide. The most well-known ones are the dairy cows that produce milk. Like humans, cows are social beings. They cannot see the color red. Cows are raised for many reasons, including milk, cheese, other dairy products, also for meat and materials, such as leather hide. Cows cannot vomit. Oh, there was so much fun! Do you know there are some farm animals who gives us milk, cheese, meat and leather? Let's see! This is buffalo. Buffalo are the largest animal found in North America. It can be 6 to 7 feet long. Up to 2,000 pounds. Buffalo gives us milk, cheese, meat, and leather. Goat milk is the popular kind of milk. Goat milk is better than cow milk because it has 5 times fewer fat molecules than cow milk. what have been used for milk, meat, fur and skin across much of the world. Sheep and goat are one of the most affordable animals in the world. It can be accommodated in any kind of weather conditions. They are also called farm and cow. The main purpose of sheep farming is to produce enough meat, wool and skin. It also gives us milk. Wow, this is pig. They are another source of meat. I'm hungry again. I would like to have some food. Do you know what is my favorite food? I like egg, I like chicken, I like pizza, I like burger. Blech. Chicken can give us egg and meat. A hen has to eat about 4 pounds of feed to make 1 dozen of eggs. It only takes about 26 hours to produce an egg. Chicken can taste saltness but not sweetness. Do you know, except chicken, there are another farm animal who can give us egg and meat. This is duck. They can give us egg and meat. Turkeys are intelligent and sensitive animals that are highly social. Turkeys is a source of egg and meat. Their eggs taste remarkably similar to chicken eggs. Turkey breast meat is naturally high in protein. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any living bird in the world. The ostrich egg weight is close to 1.5 kilograms. An ostrich egg contain approximately 2000 calories. If you have never tried ostrich meat, you have missing a treat because it tastes different than other meat and it's color red. Hey, hope this video was lots of fun. If you like the video, just click on the like button. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.